In the previous session of lead generation and online reputation, we found out that we can use the link in bio wherein we can add all these things at one particular place. So let me show you how to do it. You can also try with your own websites, with your links, whatever you have. To do this, we should click on this one, Linktree. This is the website. I'll add this URL in the comment section as well as the description box. You can have a look at it. So let me replicate the same thing what I have done here. Click on Linktree. You should click on sign up free first. Click on it. Once you click on sign up free, you get an option like this. So RPRK, the username has already been taken. So let me use some other thing. Let me use I am RPRK. Let's see if it is available. Look at this. If the username is not available, you can change your username. Once you do this, click on continue. You can add your name here. Let me add my name. Click on continue. Here it is asking me to choose a category. Let me choose this one. Then we have this one. Once we are done with this, click on continue. After you do this, you get these options. Find the plan for you. You can use the free version. Click on it and then click on join for free. You can read it. What are the things that you get in the paid version? It depends on you. If you want a paid version, you can buy it, or else the free version is sufficient. Click on join for free. Then click on continue. Once you do this, you get an option like this. You can change it according to your need, according to your wish. It is up to you. Look at this. This is the design that I have used for my own link. Let me try something else. This is fine. Once you select this, click on continue. So you get these options. Add 3 links, customize your page, share your link tree. You can close this. I'll show you how to do it. Out of these things, I'll be adding 3 links. Let us start with my books. I'll add this link. Just click on copy. Come back, click on add link and paste your URL here. Click on add. Once you do this, you have an option called title. You can change this title. We don't want such lengthy title. Let me change it to books. So one link has been added. One more link I can add with the help of add link. Click on add link. Now let us add my business. I'll add this link, copy and paste it here. Look at this, it has been added. Now the title is marketing agency. Let me name it to my business. This is done. You can continue the same procedure. You can click on add link and add the link that you want. Once you do this, you have an option called add header. You can use it. Click on add header. Here, you can write the headline title. My headline title was this one. I can just copy and paste it. Look at this. Headline title has been added. Once you do this, you can visit the link and have a look. This is your link. Click on it and check. Look at this. It is working fine. My business will take to digitalditya.com's website, and my books will take me to the list of the books that I have added. So this is how you can add multiple links at one particular page. Once you do all these things, we also had our social media links here. Look at this. We have social media links here. I'll show you how to add it as well. Go back to Linktree, click on Appearance. In the Appearance section, you get a lot of other options as well. You can change the theme, you can add the profile picture. This is the profile picture that I have added. You can also add your profile picture according to your need. After you do this, you have an option called Bio. Look at this. This is the bio that I have added. Let me copy this and paste it in the bio section. Now it looks good. After you do this, you can add social icons. Click on it and add the social media platforms according to your needs. Click on add icon here, add icon. You have all these things. Look at this. You can add multiple icons that you want. It depends on you what you choose. Let me show you how to add one link so that you understand better. Click on Instagram. Then here we should write the username. Let me write my username. Look at this. This is the Instagram's username. Click on add to Linktree. You get an icon. Look at this. It has been added. After you do this, you have multiple options here. You can see, you can try these things. For now, let us leave it as it is. This is more than enough. If you want to change the appearance of this, go to Appearance. When you scroll down, you get multiple options. Look at this. It has been changed. These are the paid versions that we can use, but we have to pay. This is how it will look. I'll be adding this URL in the description box. You can have a look at it. Once you do this, if this particular website is not working, I have another alternative which does the same thing. Let me show you that as well. Let us use this as an example. I'll show you one more website that does the same exact thing. The name of the website is lnk.bio. This is the website. You can click on check-in. Click on check-in. You get all these options. Based on your need, you can log in with anything. Click on I have read and accept the terms and privacy of link.bio. Use your Google account or your Gmail ID. Once you do this, you get an option to add the username. Let me add it. Let me add some username. Let me see if it is available. Click on continue. It will tell you. So the username already exists. So let me change it to something else. Let us try this. This has also been used. Okay. Let me try this one. Okay, it is working. Once it is done, you get all these options. Click on free. Click on this. Once you do this, you have these options. Click on hop. You get what link design do you want. You can click on the list or else you can click on the image grid. Let us use the list. Click on list. Once you do this, you get an option to add links here. So this will be our lnk.bio/iamrprk. This will be my link. So let us add some links from here. Let me add the production house. So this is the link. Let me copy this. Copy it, go back, click on link. Click on it, add it here. Look at this. This is where you have to add. Apart from this, you can add this one, production house. Click on keep. Once you do this, you get something like this. You can add one more link. Click on link and add it. So let me add tarot readings and therapy. Let us use it. This is the Instagram page. Let me use this link. Copy it, come here and paste it. Once you are done, click on keep. Look at this. This has been added. Click on this to see what is the result. Click on it. Look at this. This is how your link will look like. So based on your need and based on your requirement, you can use Linktree or lnk.bio link. So it's up to you what you use it. There are some more alternatives as well. You can try researching and let me know what are those. We'll see you in the next session.